Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do a very loose and romantic and easy to do updo. First of all, you need to take a section of your hair at the top of your head and tease it at the roots if you want a bit more volume. Then take a clear elastic band like this and put that section of your hair in a ponytail. And as you can see, my ponytail is quite loose. You are going to need that. I will then section the hair at the sides of my head in two, and I'm going to put those sections into ponytails. They need also to be loose, exactly like the main one. On the other side now, you need to do exactly the same. And then you are going to have something like this. It's not looking very promising right now, but I promise you it's going to be okay in the end. Right, so then you need to gather all those ponytails and put them aside, and the remaining hair, what you have at the bottom of your head, you need to put it also into a ponytail. I used for this a totally regular hair tie. After that, you need to take every single ponytail and flip it or twist it through itself, just like this. After twisting them, you need to put them through the main ponytail. Just make sure that the hair ties are going to end up underneath that main ponytail and they are not going to be visible. And if it's not perfect, exactly that is going to give the romantic vibe. And now just repeat the same steps with every single ponytail. Then put all this aside and work on the lower part, on the lower ponytail. You need to make like an unperfect bun. Twist it like this, pull at the sides to make it unperfect, and then make that bun. The way I like to do it is make like a knot out of my ponytail. Afterwards, all you need to do is take bobby pins and pin it into place. Then take the top section and twist it around that bun. I have layers in my hair, so of course I'm going to have like smaller sections sticking out, but I'm going to take bobby pins right now and make the fine tuning. Now I'm not going to leave it like this because I don't like how it looks. I still need to pull at the sides of my hair and make it unperfect perfect, for my taste at least. You can also make the top part of your hair as fluffy as you like and as loose as you like, and this is my final result. Even if it's not perfect, I'm not going to use more bobby pins. I'm okay with how it looks. So this is the final result. I hope you like it. I'm going to catch you in my next tutorial. Bye!